Struggling with a wholesaler who won't provide essential documentation? We've got you covered. When working with a wholesaler who is reluctant to provide necessary documentation and information, it's essential to approach the situation calmly and strategically. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you manage and obtain the required documents efficiently. 1. Start with building rapport. Establish a relationship with your wholesaler. A friendly, collaborative approach often opens doors that a rigid, demanding one won't. Start by appreciating their service and emphasizing that you're looking to ensure mutual success. 2. Communicate your requirements clearly. Be transparent about your documentation needs. Explain why these documents are critical for your business, emphasizing food safety and regulatory compliance. Sometimes, wholesalers may simply not understand the importance of these documents. Clarifying this could change their stance. 3. Offer assistance and flexibility. Show willingness to help. Offer to walk them through the documentation process if they're unsure how to provide what's required. Being flexible and accommodating can sometimes make all the difference. 4. Propose a win-win situation. Present it as a benefit to them. Having proper documentation can enhance their reputation and business prospects. Explain that food safety is not just about compliance, but about ensuring the health and satisfaction of their customers too. 5. Set a timeline. If they agree to provide the documentation, set a clear but reasonable timeline. This keeps things moving forward without unnecessary delays. 6. Escalate gently if needed. If initial efforts don't yield results, escalate the matter gently but firmly. Request a meeting with someone higher up in their organization who may appreciate the seriousness of your request. Remember to maintain a calm but assertive tone. 7. Leverage a consultant. Still facing challenges? Hiring a food safety consultant can significantly enhance your leverage. A consultant can speak directly with your wholesaler, explaining the technical and regulatory importance of the documents you need. Remember, it's crucial to remain patient and professional throughout this process. Building a cooperative relationship can make it easier to obtain what you need without conflict. Need expert assistance handling a difficult wholesaler? Book a strategy call with us, or give us a call at 1-236-513-2488. We can guide you through obtaining the right documents calmly and efficiently.